and York. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather
and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert.
Alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to your weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
In Pennsylvania, Berks, Chester, Lehigh, and Schuylkill. The following is accepted. National Weather Service can see severe thunderstorm warning for Western Adams County in south-central Pennsylvania, southeastern Huntingdon County in central Pennsylvania, Franklin County in south-central Pennsylvania, central Richland County in central Pennsylvania, eastern Fulton County, central Pennsylvania. The National Weather Service can State College, Pennsylvania has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Western Adams County in south-central Pennsylvania, southeastern Huntingdon County in central Pennsylvania, Franklin County in south-central Pennsylvania, central Pennsylvania.
Pennsylvania, Otter County in central Pennsylvania, Cumberland County in south-central Pennsylvania, Perry County in south-central Pennsylvania. Until 3:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:11 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Spruce Hill to near Clay Lake, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard Hill, St. Thomas, Slusser, Carroll Valley, Boiling Springs, Davis Hill, Impact expected. Boiling Springs, Fayetteville, Orfordsburg, Wayne Heights, Guilford, Minefield, St. Thomas, Slusser, Carroll Valley, Boiling Springs, Fayetteville, Orfordsburg, Wayne Heights, Montato, murder in Illinois on the island. 1689, the Pennsylvania Turnpike from mile marker 1771 Interstate 81 from mile markers 0 to 57. The cautionary signs for the following counties.
South-central Richland County in central Pennsylvania, eastern Fulton County in south-central Pennsylvania.
Flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.
We typically use as well.
At 3:13 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Carlisle Springs, moving east at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and $half size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Mechanicsburg, Slusser, Dunn Canyon, New Kingstown, Carlisle Springs, Wurtsville, Hoagstown, and Shermansdale. This includes the following interstates: the Pennsylvania Turnpike from mile markers 225 to 230. Interstate 81 from mile markers 50 to 63. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:15 p.m. for the following counties: Cumberland and Perry. Thunderstorm warning for northwestern New York County in south-central Pennsylvania until 4:15 p.m. At 3:35 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Settonsburg, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard. The National Weather Service in State College, Pennsylvania has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern New York County in south-central Pennsylvania until 4:15 p.m. At 3:35 p.m. Source. The thunderstorm was located near Settonsburg, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour.
24 to 38, Pennsylvania, for your protection move to until 4:15 p.m. for the Pennsylvania. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damage. College, Pennsylvania has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Northumberland County in central Pennsylvania, northwestern Dauphin County in south central Pennsylvania, northeastern Juliana County in central Pennsylvania, southeastern Snyder County in central Pennsylvania, northeastern Perry County in south central Pennsylvania, until 4:30 p.m. At 3:42 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Millersburg, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Sunbury, Sealands Grove, Millersburg, Trevorton, Fort Trevorton, Clingerstown, Rebuck, Miserville, Leckhill, Urban, Liverpool, Grants, Dalmatia, Garysburg, Herndon, and Pillow. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:30 p.m. for the following counties: Dauphin, Juliana, Northumberland, Perry, and Snyder. College, Pennsylvania has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Dauphin County in south central Pennsylvania, northeastern Cumberland County in south central Pennsylvania, east central Perry County in south central Pennsylvania, until 4:30 p.m. At 3:43 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Woodsville, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Harrisburg, Lower Allen, Hershey, Colonial Park, Progress, Camp Hill, New Cumberland, Lingelstown, Enola, Steelton, Lemoyne, Huddlestown, Paxtonia, Rutherford, Skyline View, Lawson, Wormleysburg, Bresler, Henhout, and Oberlin, Pembroke, and Marysville. This includes the following interstates: Interstate 81 for mile markers 55 to 77. Interstate 83 for mile markers 41 to 50. Interstate 283 near mile marker 2. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:30 p.m. for the following counties: Cumberland, Dauphin, and Perry. Northwestern Lancaster County in south central Pennsylvania, southeastern Adams County in south central Pennsylvania, York County in south central Pennsylvania, southeastern Dauphin County in south central Pennsylvania, southwestern Lebanon County in south central Pennsylvania, until 5 p.m. At 4:07 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Rutherford to Emmetsville to near Littlestown, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Harrisburg, York, Lebanon, Hanover, Hershey, Colonial Park, Markinstown, Elizabethtown, Columbia, Progress, Middletown, Millersville, Mountjoy, Palmyra, New Cumberland, Parkville, Red Lion, Steelton, Spryan, and Manheim. This includes the following interstates: the Pennsylvania Turnpike for mile markers 241 to 270. Interstate 81 for mile markers 69 to 70. Interstate 83 between mile markers 0 and 39, and for mile markers 43 to 50. Interstate 283 for mile marker 0 to 2. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5 p.m. for the following counties: Adams, Dauphin, Lancaster, Lebanon, and York.
The Severe Thunderstorm Service in State College, Pennsylvania has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Lycoming County in north-central Pennsylvania, northeastern Columbia County in central Pennsylvania, Sullivan County in north-central Pennsylvania until 5:30 p.m. At 4:29 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Shunk near Kettle Creek Gorge to near Barbers, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Huggasville, Jameson City, Waller, Kettle Creek Gorge, Lairdsville, Ricketts Glen State Park, Central, Bakertown, Muncie Valley, Lincoln Falls, Barbers, Shunk, Loyal Saukville, Benton, Picture Rocks, Dushore, LaPorte, Stillwater, Forksville, and Eagles Mere. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send a report to the National Weather Service office in State College, Pennsylvania. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:30 p.m. for the following counties: Columbia, Lycoming, and Sullivan.